If you are wondering if there is a power adapter included inside the box of a Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer actually depends where you live. So it depends on the regions and countries, because for example, if you live in Europe, then in this case you will not be able to find a power adapter. As you can see over here on the box, we have a clear information that power adapter is unfortunately not included. So in that case, if you purchase Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and if you want to get a power adapter, or if you wish to have a power adapter for your phone, then you have to purchase it separately or individually. Now, as for some regions and countries, of course, power adapters are still included. And the general idea is that if you live in a country or region where power adapters are still included for smartphones in general, then this is the same case over here, and you should be able to find the power adapter. Ideally, you want to take a look at the box if you have the option to do so, just like I have shown you. If you can find this graphic information with the power adapter, if it looks like this, then of course it means that the power adapter is not included. But if you cannot find this graphic at all on the box, then it means that the power adapter is included inside the box, and you should be able to get Motorola's Turbo Power 90 watts power adapter. And yeah, so if you are uncertain if in your country or region you can still get smartphones with power adapters, then you can just try to ask the person that is selling the phone to you if they know, if they can check out the box, if there's like this information, or maybe if they already know if the power adapter is included or not. And in other cases, you can also try to check out Motorola's website for your country, go to specifications, and then you will definitely find in-box accessories, and then you should be able to find out if the charger is included or not. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.